How to properly saddle and bridle a horse. Knowing how to properly saddle and bridle a horse is key to being able to ride. If you don't properly do these things, you could put both you and the horse in danger. When working with horses, your number one concern should always be safety. Animals can be very dangerous if the proper safety measures are not followed. Your required materials include horse, halter, lead rope, curry comb, soft brush, hard brush, polo wraps, bell boots, hoof pick, mane and tail brush, western saddle pad, western saddle, cinch, bridle, and barn to tie your horse in. You will see these materials throughout the video. Part 1. Grooming. Step 1. Pick out a halter to lead your horse with. Step 2. Walk out to the pasture to get your horse. Step 3. Put halter on horse. Make sure that the halter is on tight enough so it doesn't slide off the horse's head. Step 4. Take horse back to the barn. Be careful to not let any other horses in the pasture escape when you're leaving. Step 5. Clip horse in cross ties. Make sure each hook is closed around the halter so the horse can't escape. Step 6. Brush horse with curry comb. Brush in a circular motion in the direction that the horse's hair is laying. Step 7. Take soft brush and go back over the hair to ensure that it is flat after currying. Step 8. Use hard brush. Step 9. Brush the mane and the tail. Step 10. Picking out a horse's hooves. Doing this will remove all dirt and rocks that could cause bruising and hurt the horse. Step 11. Wrap the horse's right leg. When you wrap, make sure you wrap the leg from front to back. The following video will show you how to properly wrap a right leg. Step 12. Wrap left leg. Again, make sure to wrap from front to back so you don't damage the tendons in the horse's leg. The following video will show you how to properly wrap a left leg. Step 13. Place bell boots on the hooves. The Velcro should go in the front of the hoof. And that concludes part 1. Part 2. Saddling. Step 14. Pick out the saddle you want to use. Step 15. Pick out the saddle pad you want to use. Step 16. Place saddle pad on the horse's back. Step 17. Carefully place the saddle on the horse's back. Don't slam the saddle down on their back. This could cause injury. Step 18. Attach cinch to the right side of the saddle. The cinch is what goes under the horse's stomach and holds the saddle on the horse. Step 19. Adjust the cinch to fit the horse. Step 20. Go back to the left side of the horse and reach under their stomach for the cinch. Step 21. String the latigo through the cinch slowly. The latigo is the leather piece that attaches the cinch to the saddle. Step 22. Slowly tighten the cinch by pulling up on the latigo. Step 23. Put silver peg on cinch through a hole on the latigo. This will ensure that the cinch stays tight. Step 24. Place excess leather in the keeper that is to the left of the latigo. Step 25. Adjust your stirrups. A tip for stirrup length is to make them as long as your arm is from armpit to fingertips. And that concludes part 2. Part 3. Bridling. This is a final set of steps before you're ready to ride. Step 26. Unhook your horse from the cross ties. This will make it much easier for you to get the bridle on your horse. Step 27. Unbuckle the halter. Step 28. Place halter securely around the horse's neck. Always keep the halter attached to the horse until the bridle is on securely. Step 29. Stand next to the left side of the horse's face and stand so you're looking at the horse. Step 30. Pull horse's head close to you. This makes it much easier to put the bridle on. Step 31. Hold bridle in left hand and lift it to the horse's mouth. Step 32. Place bridle in the horse's mouth. Most horses will automatically open their mouth when they realize the bit is close. However, if they do not, stick your thumb in the corner of their mouth and lightly press down. This will cause them to open their mouth so you can lift the bridle in. Step 33. Place the earpiece of the bridle over the horse's right ear. Step 34. Pull the forelock out from under the top of the bridle so it lays flat on the forehead. The forelock is a chunk of hair that comes out from between the horse's ears. Step 35. Adjust the bridle to fit properly. When the bridle properly fits, there should be soft wrinkles above the corner of the horse's mouth. Step 36. Place reins over the horse's neck. You did it. Your horse is now fully groomed, saddled, and bridled. Check to make sure your horse is not showing any signs of discomfort. After you've made sure of this, you are finally ready to mount up and ride. Always remember that safety is most important when it comes to working with horses. And don't forget to have fun. Have a great ride.